Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into y'all energy and see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. All right. Personal readings, link down below in the description box. Let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is always fluid. All right, it is Saturday, y'all. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Let's see what y'all got going on. What's happening? Fight. Demon. Gossip. So somebody fighting a demon? There's a fight. Hold up. My nose dry. Yo, that's another thing. Like, this weather is tearing me up. It is tearing my skin up. I don't know what's going on. Is it going to be cold today or hot today? You got to be careful what you put on your face sometimes. You don't want to put no lotion on it. Like, well, I don't normally put lotion. I use, what is it called? Dang, I forget it's called. What it's called? It starts with an E. It's good for like dry skin and stuff. I forget. But let's go not forget all that. But yeah, this weather, oof. And it's hot, y'all. It's January and it's hot, y'all. It's like 70 degrees outside in the Carolinas. So I'm like, wait a minute now. Good Lord, it ain't never been that warm. In January, I'm sweating bullets. Y'all see what I got on? It's hot. It's windy. It's hot though. Somebody out here fighting demons. Shoot. Yeah, there's energy. You guys out here fighting some demons out here. It seems like there's an energy of some sort of witchcraft being thrown whichever which way around you, from some sort of demons by this dap, 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 dap. It seems like they want to bop, 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 utilize that mouth. Okay. I was gonna say something. Yo, I heard somebody is running those dick suckers. I'm done. I'm done. Clarify this fight. Clarify this fight. This could also be like, yeah, this is like also like an energy of this demonic energy and like creating some sort of spiritual war, starting spiritual war, utilizing gossip. You get what I'm saying? Clarify this fight. Because what? It has something to do with like an occupation. Clarify fight, please, Spirit. The Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. What happened with fight? Y'all, I had some seafood bowl, y'all. Was good and sleep, okay? Good and sleep. All right, let's say occupation, gift. Number 17 could be significant, and poverty. Number 37. I feel like with this doctor energy right here, it seems like whoever you are, you help other people. You look out for other people, is what I'm seeing here. I feel like you are a gift to whoever this person is. But again, this is a demonic energy or entity. I feel like this person is pushing themselves in this energy of poverty. Coming up against you, creating this fight or causing this chaos and confusion, especially against someone who actually helps others. And like I stated before, it's like an energy of you being some sort of gift or something, or maybe you was given a gift, a spiritual gift to help other people. And I'm seeing an energy of someone ending up in poverty or needing some sort of help in the future with sending some sort of fight or wanting to fight you. It's connected to a house. And I'm seeing you guys being a rising star, and it's number 77, number 20 could be significant. But I'm also showing like, yeah, like somebody tried to utilize some sort of witchcraft on someone that's operating out of their north node, is what I'm seeing here. And somebody's expecting some sort of money. Maybe they tried to attack your finances and thought it was going to be successful or something like that. They thought they was going to receive, it was going to be successful with this achievement, but attacking an earth angel. Lo and behold, it was blocked. I'm seeing somebody being surprised too, because they did was place themselves into bondage with the devil. I could be speaking to a high priest. Whoever this person is could possibly read tarot, utilize divination or something like that. Okay. This might be somebody that you don't even know. With this hello here, sending destruction to your energy, to your home. to your life, sending destruction, and it's not even affecting you. I'm seeing an energy of unbothered. It's like it doesn't even affect you. It doesn't even touch you. Touch you. Wow. Would you look at that? Somebody tried to attack an earth angel. They said absolutely not. They didn't block that. They thought they was going to be successful with some sort of ritual, but all you're doing is operating out of your north node. And even if you don't read tarot or anything like that, okay, it's just simply talking about something that you are doing. One thing that you can turn off is your psychic abilities and your intuition. You can That's something you can turn off, whether you do that in your everyday work life or not. Whoever you are, you help people. And you utilize your gifts. You were given gifts, and whoever this person is about to be in this energy of poverty and lack. It seems like this is a position they possibly wanted you in lack or something, and they thought they was going to like take something from you, have you in poverty. But they're about to be listen. They're about to have a rude awakening coming against an earth angel. Let's go ahead and clarify this occupation. Dude, they don't never learn. I feel like these demonic energies just be utilizing people just so they could do their dirty work, knowing damn well. They know damn well it's not going to work. I'm going to win in the end, whether you do it and win and defeat or not. If you don't defeat, I still win type of energy. You get what I'm saying? It's just a choice, a decision if they're going to let that spirit utilize them. And 9 times out of 10, a lot of these low vibration, low frequency people, they be used. Okay, they go right along with the getting used because it's always a choice and a decision before you do it. You get what I'm saying? Hey, you can go over there and smack that person in the face. That's that demonic energy, and you're like, go over there and smack them. Go and smack them. But you have free will and choice to not even go over there and smack them. But you going over there and smack them is giving up to, giving into the free, the will of the lower vibration, low frequency energy. And, what you give out is what you get back. And you could just get slapped back, get beat up, stomped on, and all types of things. You can't play victim now. You gave into the energy of fucking evil. Shoot. What's going on? Occupation. What's happening with occupation, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? What's going on with this occupation? All right. So clarifying this occupation, like I stated, whoever you are, you could possibly very much help other people and things like that. I'm saying whoever you are, you're very like some sort of visionary. You have visions or something like that. You're able to know things or see things that other people that don't know. You're very like I'm seeing inspiration. You give ideas, you give suggestions, you give offer, you help people. Number 41. You have bright ideas. You know how to help people with their situation. You give great advice. Clarify this gift. Clarify gift. Mm. So, two cards came out clarifying gift. I'm definitely seeing an energy of collaboration, okay? There's energy of people working against you to attack your gift by utilizing some sort of ceremony, some sort of witchcraft. Look what's at the bottom of the deck. Gift. I don't know if they're trying to take your gift or they trying to suppress some sort of gift or something by utilizing magic or something like that. This could also talk about you be careful of any gifts that you receive from certain people as well, okay? Like this could be energy of someone giving you a gift. But I'm definitely seeing that there is an energy of some sort of magic here, okay? Now clarify this poverty. Clarifying poverty is an energy of hesitation. Somebody had a decision. So, like, didn't I say that? Free will, choice and decisions to make of their own. I'm seeing an energy of someone being confused in regards to what to do. I'm seeing an energy of worry. This gonna end the choice and decision they make come back and bite them in the butt. All right? Yeah. It comes with a lesson that they're gonna have to learn. A life lesson. Number 27 is significant here. They're going to have to go through it. I'm definitely seeing an energy of them getting caught. They're going to end up getting caught with this evidence, number 55, and it's going to change a whole lot. There's going to definitely be proof within the ethers in regards to what this person did. All right. I'm seeing an energy of them being overwhelmed. I'm seeing the 10 of Wands energy out here, number 67, and them experiencing some sort of nightmares. Whatever that they are sending or whatever that utilize them to come after you, to attack you, or cause some sort of suffering is what they will be experiencing for themselves. Look, justice. I'm not playing. Balance is going to be restored. They came up against an earth angel, y'all. They came up against an earth angel, and whatever demonic entity used them, used them. They knew they was going to win either way. Go ahead, send it. Do it. You think they're attacking you? You know what? They are attacking you. Turn your mind up against you. Turn you every which way. To get you turned every which way. Because they can get fed energetically off of you. If you take a look at this person, look at their cheekbones. It's starting to sink in and everything. I feel like it already didn't happen. And somebody you might know may have dark circles under their eyes or around their eyes. You starting to notice people. Somebody might be looking gray, looking skeletal or something like that. Their hair not done. They're falling apart. Their life is fucking demolishing, diminishing. Clarify this occupation and idea, please, Spirit. Occupation, idea. One more. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I knew that was going to come out. Clarifying this occupation and idea, like I stated, you help other people. I'm seeing the sun here. All right, there's energy of joy, happiness. This is also like an energy of you guys being moved away or moved forward towards an energy of abundance and happiness. And I'm seeing a closing or ending of some sort of contract, or whoever this person is that was in your energy spirit already immediately. Boom. Contract ended. Y'all don't know one another in the spirit. You enacted spiritual warfare on my peoples. Y'all not cool no more. Y'all not cool no more. Now I got to step in and I got to balance everything out because of the choice and decisions that you made. So let's go ahead and get into it. Clarify this gift. Everything that happened after this is nothing that this person can do to help you. You had a choice. You about to get that ass beat. Gift, collaboration, and right. What's going on? Gift, collaboration. Okay, so this is an energy of, like I said, collaborating, doing some sort of ceremony or some sort of magic. All right, and hoping for an energy of some sort of victory. I am seeing an energy of some sort of wish fulfillment, hoping for some sort of wish fulfillment, some sort of wish, prayer. Okay, magic. But I'm seeing the Five of Cups out here. There's an energy of self sabotage, you guys. There's an energy. There's an energy of loss. There's an energy of defeat here, and whatever they was working with is trying to drag this. It's dragging them down with them, or yeah, about to drag them down with them because they came up against an Empress, a divine feminine energy. Yeah, something is dragging them down that they try to utilize against you. Like that's crazy, crazy, crazy work. Whoever this person is someone that was doing work in the elements. It's like someone that does work outside their house. They go to the woods and things like that. I don't know where they going, but I know that they doing some sort of work or did some sort of work outside the house. And whatever this is on the outside is coming for that ass. I'm just being honest. Poverty and hesitation, please, Spirit. What's going on with this poverty, hesitation? Poverty, hesitation for the divine space, family, friends, and collective. Poverty and hesitation. Look, didn't I say they had options and choices to choose from? I'm seeing an energy of somebody experiencing bad luck with the Five of Pentacles. This is some sort of loss. This is an energy of some sort of financial issues or problems. While you're there going like experiencing this bad luck or financial issues, it seems like you guys are definitely on the rise. They come up against you for financial gain with this Nine of Pentacles. Whoever you are, you're very abundant, you're very stable, and that's exactly the way it's going to stay. Is what I'm seeing here. Spirit had you withdraw your energy. Your energy already was withdrawal. I'm seeing energy you abandoning whoever this person is and not helping them. You were written to be some sort of assistance to whoever this person is, possibly to the future, but because of what they have done to you, they gonna have to sit in whatever they you was gonna be the hand to help them. They didn't even know this, but they already bit the hand before they bit the hand that was gonna feed them. And you are required to walk away and sever ties from this person and abandon all emotion, turn your back and continue to keep going because you have other options and you got other opportunities and obligations that you must handle. And this person going to be left in the Four Swords. There's an energy of a lot of mental activity. There's a lot of stress, anxiety because they're wondering how things going to, how they're going to do this or how they're going to do that or how this is going to play out, how that's going to play out. An emperor could be significant, a father figure, a husband, some sort of masculine energy with this Five of Swords. Look, self-sabotage, self-sacrifice. Look, and thought that nobody was going to know with this moon. But if you take a look at the moon and the water, it looks like everything that's hidden is being revealed or will be revealed. What's in the dark comes to the light, baby, baby. You can hide. You can run, but you cannot hide, is what I'm seeing here. Okay. In the end, I'm definitely seeing an energy of um not only just this person is like the everyone that also collaborated with them or assisted them or worked with them in some form or fashion to come up against you. They're gonna have to deal with this. I'm seeing an energy of isolation. There's an energy of restriction. Okay. There's an energy of mental anxiety. Yeah. Was that the tower? Oh no, that was that wasn't the tower. That was the Queen of Wands out here. Uh-huh. Somebody wanting to come in and reconcile and make things right because of something that they did, but they started the war with you. They even though that supposedly it's not them, but it was them because it's still their choice and decision. You know, their God body and spirit body is supposed to. No, I'm not doing it. I'll just let it. If they did do something, I'm just going to go ahead and let it go. It's one thing to just utilize scripture and prayer to have the Most High and the Spirit and the archangels and the spirit guides to assist you. Okay. And it's another thing to go and just do do a whole ceremony with a pentagram, using lighting candles on people and all types of things, going outside the house. Somebody might have did some graveyard work. Somebody might have grabbed some water from a pond or something, might be connected to a pond or a lake or some shit. Whatever the hell. They're gonna have to answer to that. Point blank period. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold